Aloha. Today we're unboxing the Google Clips. I had to get another one off eBay because my old one was having some battery issues. Luckily, I was able to find a brand new one for $40. So let's take a look and see what Google Clip from 2017 looks like now, unboxed. You can see the Google advertising and all the other good stuff. Little way to hang it at the store. I don't know what stores carried this product. It wasn't super popular, but luckily for me, I was able to get it super cheap since they didn't sell them all. So this one's brand new. Been sitting in the box for 6 years now. Boom! Look at that. Nice little small camera. Comes with the let's get started, some other info, a little case. You put the phone, the smart camera that it pairs with your phone into. Comes with USB-C cord, never can have too many of those. No charger though. And let's peel it back and see what's inside. And then you just clip. And it looks like it does not still have a charge from all that time ago. So I'm going to have to charge it up and get this bad boy going. So there you go. Google Clip. Still pretty sweet after all these years. I like to use it for filming myself doing yoga. So I have some photos and clips to use later on for video and social media and things like that.